I thought we were small.
They say we have challenges,
but in our hearts there is a flame. It is life, it is hope, it is our dreams.
Remember in history.
Our courage is solid.
Raise the flag for the whole country.
We are Haiti, our celebration sings, for when the time comes, our name can soar. We are Haiti, no barrier can stop us. Now, 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 give for victory in the middle of the field like a battle. Each player is a soldier already prepared. Each pass, each kick, we write history on foreign soil. Serving misery does not take courage. We have strength, we have the spirit of